Imagine stepping into a garden where roses bloom in a stunning display of color and fragrance, their beauty enhanced by the perfect companions growing beside them. What if I told you that choosing the right plants to pair with your roses could not only make your garden more beautiful, but also healthier and easier to maintain? In this video, we're revealing the 15 best companion plants for roses, each bringing its own unique benefits to the garden. Let's get into it. 1. Lavender. Lavender is an excellent companion plant for roses because it naturally repels common pests like aphids, while attracting beneficial pollinators such as bees and butterflies. Its fragrant foliage helps mask the scent of roses from harmful insects, reducing the risk of infestations. Additionally, lavender thrives in similar growing conditions, full sun and well-drained soil, making it a practical and visually stunning pairing. The soft purple hues of lavender create a striking contrast against the rich colors of roses, enhancing the overall beauty of the garden while promoting a healthier, more resilient environment. 2. Catmint. Catmint is a fantastic companion plant for roses because it attracts beneficial insects like bees and predatory wasps, which help control pests that commonly target roses. Its aromatic foliage naturally deters aphids and other harmful insects, reducing the need for chemical treatments. With its low-maintenance nature and drought tolerance, catmint thrives in the same sunny, well-drained conditions as roses. Its soft, flowing growth habit and delicate blue-purple flowers provide a beautiful contrast, adding texture and color while enhancing the overall health and resilience of the garden. 3. Marigolds. Marigolds make excellent companion plants for roses because they naturally repel pests like aphids, whiteflies, and nematodes with their strong scent. Their bright, cheerful blooms not only add a stunning contrast to rose beds, but also attract beneficial insects like ladybugs and hoverflies, which help keep harmful pests in check. Marigolds are easy to grow, thrive in similar sunlit conditions, and can even improve soil health by deterring soil-borne diseases. By planting marigolds alongside roses, gardeners create a vibrant, low-maintenance, and pest-resistant environment that enhances both beauty and plant health. 4. Alliums. Alliums make great companion plants for roses because their strong scent helps deter common pests like aphids, Japanese beetles, and deer, reducing the risk of infestations. These striking, globe-shaped flowers add vertical interest and contrast beautifully with the soft, rounded blooms of roses. Additionally, alliums help improve soil health by naturally repelling harmful nematodes, creating a more balanced and resilient garden ecosystem. Thriving in similar growing conditions, full sun and well-drained soil, these hardy perennials require minimal maintenance while enhancing both the beauty and health of a rose garden. 5. Geraniums. Geraniums make superb companion plants for roses because they help repel common pests like Japanese beetles, aphids, and spider mites with their strong scent. Their dense foliage acts as a natural ground cover, suppressing weeds and retaining soil moisture, which benefits the surrounding roses. Geraniums also help prevent fungal diseases by improving air circulation around the base of rose bushes. With their wide range of colors and long blooming period, they provide continuous beauty while requiring minimal maintenance, making them a practical and visually appealing addition to any rose garden. 6. Salvia. Salvia is a wonderful companion plant for roses because it attracts pollinators like bees, butterflies, and hummingbirds, while also repelling pests such as aphids and spider mites. Its aromatic foliage deters deer and rabbits, helping to protect delicate rose bushes from unwanted nibbling. Salvia's tall, spiky blooms provide a striking contrast to the soft, rounded petals of roses, adding both height and texture to the garden. Thriving in similar growing conditions, full sun and well-drained soil, this drought-tolerant perennial requires little maintenance, making it a practical and beautiful addition to any rose bed. 7. Chives. A member of the Allium family, chives are a great companion plant for roses because they offer both practical benefits and an aesthetic boost to the garden. The strong scent of chives helps to repel common rose pests like aphids and Japanese beetles, keeping the roses healthier without the need for harsh chemicals. Chives also attract beneficial insects, such as pollinators, which can enhance the overall biodiversity of the garden. Furthermore, their tall, slender green stems provide a natural contrast to the more expansive foliage of roses, creating a visually appealing combination. As a hardy herb, chives are easy to grow alongside roses, offering a low-maintenance solution to improve plant health while contributing to the overall beauty of the garden, whilst providing an edible bonus for the kitchen. 8. Foxgloves. The tall, elegant spires of foxglove flowers provide a beautiful vertical contrast to the rounded, bushy shape of rose plants, creating a visually dynamic garden design. Additionally, foxgloves are known to attract pollinators like bees, which can improve the overall pollination of roses, promoting healthy growth and vibrant blooms. Their deep roots help to break up compacted soil, improving drainage around rose plants, and their foliage provides some shade, which can be beneficial in hot climates. While foxgloves are toxic if ingested, they don't pose a risk to most animals in the garden, making them a safe and effective plant to grow alongside roses. 9. Yarrow. Yarrow is a fantastic companion plant for roses due to its numerous benefits for both plant health and garden aesthetics. Its feathery, aromatic foliage helps deter pests like aphids and Japanese beetles, which are common threats to roses, while also attracting beneficial insects like ladybugs and predatory beetles that help manage pest populations naturally. Yarrow's deep roots improve soil structure and drainage, preventing waterlogging around rose roots and reducing the risk of root rot. Additionally, its colorful blooms provide a striking contrast to the rich petals of roses, enhancing the garden's visual appeal. Yarrow is also drought-tolerant, making it a low-maintenance partner for roses, and its ability to thrive in poor soils ensures it complements the roses without competing for resources. 10. Sweet alyssum. A charming ground cover, sweet alyssum not only suppresses weeds, but also attracts pollinators and beneficial insects. The small, fragrant flowers of sweet alyssum attract beneficial insects, such as bees and ladybugs, which help with pollination and natural pest control. Ladybugs, in particular, are excellent at keeping aphid populations in check, protecting the roses from these common pests. Sweet alyssum also serves as a ground cover, preventing weeds from overtaking rose beds and helping to retain moisture in the soil, which is especially important for the health of rose plants. Its cascading growth habit and delicate white or purple flowers provide a charming contrast to the larger, more vibrant blooms of roses, creating a visually appealing garden layout. With its low-maintenance nature and numerous benefits, sweet alyssum is a perfect partner for growing roses. 11. Feverfew. With its small daisy-like flowers, Feverfew repels while adding a delicate charm to the garden. The strong scent of Feverfew acts as a natural repellent for aphids, Japanese beetles, and other insects that frequently damage rose plants, helping to protect the roses without the need for chemical pesticides. Additionally, Feverfew attracts beneficial insects, such as ladybugs and hoverflies, which prey on harmful pests, further enhancing the health of the rose garden. Its bright, daisy-like flowers contrast beautifully with the rich colors of rose blooms, adding visual interest to the landscape. Feverfew's low-growing habit also serves as a natural ground cover, helping to suppress weeds and retain moisture in the soil, ensuring that the roses have optimal growing conditions. 12. Thyme. This fragrant herb acts as a natural ground cover, repelling pests and reducing the spread of fungal diseases. Its fragrant, aromatic leaves help deter pests such as aphids and spider mites, which are common nuisances for roses. Additionally, thyme attracts beneficial insects like bees and butterflies, which can aid in pollination and improve the overall ecosystem of the garden. As a low-growing, spreading herb, thyme also acts as a natural ground cover, helping to suppress weeds and retain moisture in the soil, which is essential for rose health. Its small, delicate flowers and vibrant green foliage create a beautiful contrast with the bold blooms of roses, making thyme a functional and visually appealing addition to any rose garden. 13. Dianthus, pinks. Dianthus is a fantastic companion plant for roses because its fragrant, low-growing blooms provide a beautiful contrast while helping to deter pests like aphids with their spicy scent. These hardy perennials thrive in the same sunny, well-drained conditions as roses and serve as a natural ground cover, reducing weed growth and maintaining soil moisture. Their long-lasting flowers attract beneficial pollinators, enhancing the overall health of the garden. With their delicate yet vibrant appearance, Dianthus adds charm and elegance to rose beds while requiring minimal maintenance, making them a perfect pairing for a flourishing and visually stunning garden. 14. Clematis. Clematis is a perfect companion plant for roses because it thrives in similar growing conditions, enjoying full sun while keeping its roots cool in well-drained soil. As a climbing vine, Clematis weaves gracefully through rose bushes or along trellises, adding vertical interest and extending the blooming season with its vibrant flowers. Its delicate tendrils do not compete aggressively with roses, allowing both plants to coexist harmoniously. With a wide variety of colors and bloom times, Clematis enhances the beauty of roses while creating a lush, romantic garden display that attracts pollinators and adds depth to any landscape. 15. Ornamental grasses. Ornamental grasses make great companion plants for roses because they add movement, texture, and contrast to the garden while requiring minimal maintenance. Their soft, flowing blades complement the structured beauty of rose blooms, creating a dynamic and visually appealing landscape. Many varieties, such as fountain grass and blue fescue, thrive in the same sunny, well-drained conditions as roses and help suppress weeds by providing natural ground cover. Additionally, their airy growth improves air circulation around rose bushes, reducing the risk of fungal diseases. With their year-round interest and graceful aesthetic, ornamental grasses enhance both the health and beauty of a rose garden. Now let's touch upon what not to plant with roses. To avoid competition for resources and potential negative interactions, avoid planting large woody plants, potatoes, tomatoes, peppers, or plants that can harbor pests or diseases that affect roses near your rose bushes. Also, avoid plant companions with extensive root systems, such as large shrubs, which will deplete the soil of the resources your roses need to stay healthy. Roses, like many plants, won't flourish if they have to compete for water, nutrients, and sunlight. As you can see, pairing your roses with the right companion plants can transform your garden into a thriving, pest-resistant paradise. Whether you're looking to enhance your garden's beauty, attract pollinators, or naturally repel pests, these 15 plants are sure to make a difference. What are your favorite companion plants for roses? Let us know in the comments below, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more gardening tips. And I'm sure you're going to enjoy this next video on the top 25 companion plants to naturally get rid of pests.